Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Health, Beauty and Mind by Raj. Thank you everyone for supporting and showing your love to me by subscribing my channel, liking my videos and sending me nice comments. I'm really overwhelmed and I'm thankful as well to all of you. So I'm going to another party today, so I've got another chance to make a video to share my look with you guys. So today I'm wearing a white outfit and I've just got the jacket on top. So it's a very plain white plain dress. So it's an Indian event, so I'm going to do a bright eye makeup look today. So I just wanted to share that with you all. First I want to do my hair. So I was wearing this. I decided to do the makeup first. I already applied my concealer on my eyelids. So this is something to protect my dress from any products like eyeshadow or the foundation. So what I'm gonna do first is to do my hair. So for the hair, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the middle part. I actually like where my hair naturally sits, but I will just go over and just fix it. So this time I do need to tease my hair. So just that crown area, I'm taking some hair at the back. Dividing them into small portions. And just gonna tease the back. As you can see, there's already some volume at the back, and I've got a mirror on this side, so I might be looking more on that side just to see what I can't see in the camera. And I'm going to tease the front part as well into small sections. Going to leave my hair open but with nice waves at the bottom. So let's start the makeup. So as always, as I said before, I always start with my eye makeup first. Today I'm going to use the Huda Beauty palette. This is the first one I think that came out. So I'm going to use the color Shy as the transition color. I already applied the concealer on my eyes, as you can see. Already did the powder as well. So I'm just going to do the same transition. Along with this color Shy, I like to use the Flamingo, which is more into the pinks. And then these are all my brushes. My next video will be how many brushes do you need for basic makeup. I'll show you all the tips and tricks how to use whatever you have at home for eyes and face and for contouring, etc. So we will go through the brushes as well in a different video. So again, I'm going to use the darkest shade in my palette. In this palette is Cocoa. This one there, as you can see, I've used it a lot with the same brush I used last time. Again, just on the crease. I'm going over the eyelid because I'm going to apply the golden color anyways. So make sure when you have the light color outfits on, you do cover your outfit with something because the foundation or the eyeshadow can go all over your outfit, which you definitely don't want that to happen. Going with my same brush, again a bit of pink flamingo, going over the dark color and blending. Just finished the eyeshadow on both my eyes, taking my same concealer, going to do the same thing I did with the other in my other video, but this time I'm going to be a little precise about the shape. So this is the trick. So you apply on the eyelid and you open your eyes and look straight. So this will tell you the top mark where the eyeshadow can actually go up to. Doing the same thing, just going with the same brushes and going over. In my outfit I do have some gold and pinks, so I'm just looking at something similar. I've got this nice gold here, and then this is more of a copper color. But I might mix both together, applying on the eyelid. This color pops out so nicely. This is from Mecca Cosmetics, and this is actually Mecca eyeshadow palette. Absolutely beautiful colors in this palette. As you can see, the color is so bright. I love it. I'm going to apply my eyeliner the same way I did last time, but I might go out a bit today, so I'll do that and I'll come back. I've just finished applying the eyeliner. As you can see, I just went a bit out. And now I'm going to apply my eyelashes. I like really natural ones. So you apply the glue on the eyelash and just let it set for a second until it's all gooey. Hold it and then apply on the eyelash. Everyone's eye shape is different, so you can put it up like that. I'm looking into the camera. I might not be doing the right thing, but that's what you do. Just like that. But then obviously fix it if you need to. So I'm done with both my eyes. I just applied the eyelashes. I used the very natural ones. I don't like dramatic look. So again, I'm going to fill my eyebrows as I did in my previous video, and I will be back. Eyebrows are done. Wow, that can make a huge difference. Just applying my favorite mascara from NARS. I've got to put this on. And I'm gonna hold my eyes. Mascara helps both the eyelashes, fake and your real eyelashes, to stick together. So I've just finished applying my mascara. So now I'm going to take my highlighter. This time I'm going to apply just under the eyebrows. Not too much, but nice and shimmer. Yeah, I'm happy. Now what do we do next? Yeah, I'm moving on to my face. Now I'm going to apply my luminizing drops from Sephora just onto my cheeks. This gives you glow just before the foundation. So I'm gonna apply my foundation as per my previous video and I will be back. So I've just finished the foundation and I applied my bronzer and contouring at the same time. I'm quickly gonna apply my highlighter. Just on top of the cheeks. I've finished my eye makeup on the top of my eyelids. Now going onto my bottom of the eyes using the same color, the dark one. You have to apply at the bottom lash line. Not too thick, just this close to your lash line. And same with the other color, the pink one we used. And that's it. Brush it out, the extra eyeshadow. And today I'm going with the pink lipstick and I will be back. So here is my final look. So I've just got my earrings on and my hair's fixed. So I've just done the waves. I didn't like the ponytail, so I'm going with my hair open and just a nice soft waves I did in the other video. So that's it. I can just do whatever I want to do. How do I keep my hair just like that or just on the both sides, and that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. So I've got the lip color on, which is pink. It looks really bright in the video, but it's not that bright. I did apply the matte color on top as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will do separate sessions of eye makeup only. This was just a quick video of my look that I was creating for myself. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.